Hey everyone, today we're doing something crazy artistic. I let a spinning wheel decide how I'd draw MrBeast in 4 completely different styles. Yep, I didn't choose the styles, the Wheel of Fate did. So don't blink, this drawing is going to blow your mind. But first, I started with a simple pencil sketch of MrBeast's face and just a small part of his torso.
What?
The first style the wheel landed on was Simpsons. For the top left portion of Jimmy's head and one eye, I went full yellow skin, thick black lines, and that classic Matt Groening look. And here's the result of the Simpsons style. Would you watch MrBeast Springfield Edition? Comment if this was your favorite section. Next, the wheel spun again and gave us fire style. So for the top right of the face, I made it look like it was burning. Lava textures, glowing red-orange tones, and fiery edges. Even his eye looks like it's made of molten magma. Here's the result of the fire style. Type MrBeast if you love this side. The third style, X-ray. For the bottom left of the face and a bit of the torso, I drew MrBeast as if we were seeing through him. Skull details, cheekbones, neck bones, and even the structure of his green shirt showing through with a glowing bluish tint. Here's the result of the X-ray style. Creepy, cool, or both? Comment MrBeast if this side gave you chills, in a good way. And finally, the last section, bottom right, was chosen to be Roblox style. That's right. MrBeast turned into a blocky, squared-off character from your favorite sandbox game. The jaw became boxy, the shirt angular, and the eye simplified. And this is the Roblox result. Comment MrBeast if you'd love to play as him in-game. And here is the final result. A mashup of 4 styles, 1 drawing, and a ton of fun. Which part was your favorite? Let me know down below. And if you made it all the way to the end, here's your challenge. Comment Fusion Beast, so I know you're a real one. Don't forget to subscribe for more wild art content. Leave your suggestion for the next character we should draw in 4 crazy styles. And as always, God bless you and see you in the next video.